The next part of the section is on horizontal and vertical lines. So horizontal lines are of the equation y is equal to some number. So y is equal to 3, y is equal to -7, and y is equal to 18. And these have a slope of 0. Vertical lines have the equation of the form x is equal to some number. And their slope is undefined. So number 9 is y is equal to 3. So that will be a horizontal line through 3. Number 10 is y is equal to -2. So that will be a horizontal line through -2. 11 is x is equal to 4. That will be a vertical line through 4. And 12 is x is equal to -5. And that will be a vertical line through -5. So it can be easy to mix these up because the x-axis is our horizontal axis and the y-axis is our vertical axis. But if you just look at some points on the line, so like let's do -7, 3, 2, 3, and 8, 3. The y value of every point on this line is 3. So that's why the equation y is equal to 3 represents this line. Let's look at one of our vertical lines. Let's do 4, 8, 4, 2, and 4, -6. So every point on this line has an x value of 4. And that's why the equation x is equal to 4 represents this line.